cell membrane forms a barrier to many important substances. This separates the environments of the body into the two very different intracellular and extracellular spaces. However, movement of molecules between these two spaces is clearly essential. As such, there are specific mechanisms for the passage of molecules into and out of the cell that are important to know about. There are three key processes: diffusion, active transport, and endocytosis. Diffusion refers to the movement of molecules down their concentration gradient from a high concentration to a low concentration. Regarding cells, this can either happen by simple diffusion or facilitated diffusion. Simple diffusion is, simply, the movement of molecules through the membrane or through membrane channel openings down this concentration gradient. Facilitated diffusion requires the interaction of another molecule, such as a carrier protein in the cell membrane. This involves a chemical binding and a conformational change that shuttles the molecules through to the other side. In contrast to diffusion, which is a natural kinetic movement of molecules, active transport refers to the utilisation of energy to transport the molecules, often against their concentration gradients. Using the energy from ATP, membrane carrier proteins transport the molecules through the membrane, thus being able to concentrate the amounts on the different sides. As we will see, this process is core to many aspects of cell physiology, as it allows the manipulation of different cellular environments. Finally, endocytosis is a mechanism for the movement of very large molecules in certain circumstances. It involves the invagination of the cell membrane and envelopment of the molecule into a pocket that can then enter the cell interior. These vesicles will then be processed in a number of different ways by the cell.